Yeah, earlier we were talking about putting in our lighting. And yeah, we got our lighting in. Also, right now I'm still working on the plumbing for our vanity area, but I'm gonna show y'all the lighting and let y'all check it out and see where we are with our lighting. And we have everything lit up, so I'm gonna let y'all check it out. So there's our fan. And this is our other ceiling light, our vanity light. And we come all the way around. This is the light for our commode area. That's where the commode will be. We already know we have the light in the shower. Come all the way back around again. Vanity. And there's our vanity area. Sink. So yeah, we'll be out of here tomorrow. We'll be done with everything. Then I'll come over and make it here Tuesday. And we'll install that and that'll be it. All right, man. We got this baby done practically. But it's not over yet. We'll get the prize when it's over. All right. Thank y'all. Appreciate y'all.